Let's learn the ABCs with their sounds and some fun words. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pen, pen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we have learned our ABCs with sounds and words, so fun and free. Come again and sing with me. Learning is fun as it can be. Welcome, junior kids.
Is for apple, B is for ball, is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat is for dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for elephant, F is for fish. G is for goat, G is for goat. H is for goat, goat is for hat, I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, O is for octopus. P is for octopus, octopus. E is for pen, Q is for queen. R is for rat, rat. S is for sun. T is for tap. U is for umbrella, U is for umbrella. V is for van. Q is for watch. X is for xylophone, Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra, Z is for zebra, Z is for zebra, E is for zebra, U is for octopus, E is for bat, cat. 2 is for queen, R is for rat. C is for zebra,
Goodbye, little stars. Keep smiling, keep shining, and keep learning.